Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save TikTok videos without the watermark. So in here, what you need to do is just find the TikTok videos that you want to save, and then let's hit on the share button. Click on this copy link. After the link has been copied, you can just open your browser or your Google Play Store and find the TikTok video downloader. Okay, so in here, just choose the one that you usually use. For example, I'm going to use this Snaptic. You can just paste the TikTok link video here, then tap on the download button. Click on this download button again and just wait until the video is downloaded. You can see the video is downloading now, and here I'm going to open the video, and as you guys can see here, there is no watermark on the video. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.